Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here. I'm back with one more video. In today's video, we'll see a demo call for tomorrow. Tomorrow it's a weekly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Tomorrow it's the 6th of August. Today it is 5th of August. And tomorrow, this call I have released for my paid clients. So we will see this call in detail, and also we will see the rules on which this call should be traded. But before that, quickly we will see here that today Nifty put and Bank Nifty put, which I had given to my paid clients, has doubled. So today on Wednesday, Nifty put doubled, Bank Nifty put doubled. This is my performance of paid calls. This is my Telegram channel, Sunil Pawar Best Option Analyst. If you want to search in Telegram, I will show you. This is the link, Sunil Pawar Option King. Sunil Pawar Option King. If you search this link on Telegram, you will find this channel. Already 3,300 subscribers are there. So today on Wednesday, Nifty put has doubled, Bank Nifty put has doubled. This I have updated. I am updating here the performance of paid calls every day. So this was today's performance, and yesterday means on Tuesday, Nifty call 21,100 was given to the paid clients, and that has doubled, almost doubled at day close. That is the performance of Nifty call yesterday. And as per rule, trade was carried up to day close, and Nifty call 10,900. This call was given yesterday on Tuesday, almost triple at the end of the day. So on Tuesday, Nifty call tripled, Bank Nifty call doubled. On Wednesday, Nifty put doubled, Bank Nifty put doubled. So this is the performance of last 2 days. In last 2 days, Tuesday capital doubled in single day, Wednesday capital doubled in single day. Now let us see the Thursday calls. These are the Thursday calls. So Nifty call 11,100. If crosses 61.35, then buy. You can see target, you can see stop loss. Nifty put 11,100. If crosses 57.55, you can see target, you can see stop loss. Bank Nifty call, we will buy. Bank Nifty call 21,500. We will buy only after it crosses 259.64. You can see target, you can see stop loss. Bank Nifty put 21,500. If crosses 173.33, then buy. You can see the target, you can see the stop loss. So what are the rules? The rules are very simple. Entry in trade only when call or put crosses entry price. It means if Nifty call crosses entry price, this is the entry price given, this is entry price. If it crosses the entry price, then only buy, otherwise not. If put crosses entry price, then only buy, otherwise not. These calls I am giving you one day before. So tomorrow after market opens, if call crosses entry price, then buy call. If put crosses entry price, then buy put. We are not buying both, we are buying only one, which is crossing the entry price. If options open with gap up, then wait for given buy level and enter at the level. So if let us say 81 is the target, if it opens at 71, for example it opens at 71, you can buy one lot at 71 and put other lot for 51. I am talking about Nifty call 11,100. Entry price is 61.35. If it opens at 71, you can buy one lot, keep for 51. So if it comes down to 51, then your average price would be 61. So that way, by averaging, you can buy at this level. If it is opening below this level, if it is opening below 61, then no problem, you can simply buy at 61 in a stop loss format. Double the quantity of second trade when stop loss hit. Tomorrow if you enter into call, if call does not give you target and hits stop loss, then exit the trade. If stop loss call hits the stop loss, exit the trade. Then wait for the put to activate. If put activates, then buy double quantity of put. if put activates buy double quantity of put. But if put does not activate, and call again activates, first call has hit the stop loss, but put did not activate and call again activated, then you can buy call again with double quantity. Same rules for Bank Nifty too. If target is hit within 2 hours, then hold trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. If these targets, either call or put, whatever, if they hit target within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. This is what it is told here. As per rule, this is rule number, this is the rule, this is the rule. So as per that rule, as per rule, trade was carried up to day close. This was Tuesday. As per rule, trade was carried up to the day close. Nifty called 10,900 and almost tripled at the day end. If you see, it is almost 213 is the close. This is at 3:28 p.m. 217 is the day high, 213 is the close. So it is almost tripled from the entry price on Tuesday. So as per the rule, Nifty call tripled on Tuesday. This rule number 5 is not for expiry day. Rule number 6 is not for expiry day. Rule number 7 is for expiry day. If pre-market calls open in Nifty Express open above, if pre-market calls in Nifty Express open above the target, then avoid and follow live market calls in fact signals. Means these are the live market calls. These are the pre-market calls. Sorry, these are the pre-market calls. I am giving you these calls one day before. If these calls open above the target, either call or put, whichever opens above the target, just avoid these calls, ignore these calls. I will give you another calls at 10:15 a.m. tomorrow. So these are the pre-market calls. If they open above the target, just ignore them and wait for my next calls, live market calls. Live market calls are given at 10:15 a.m. and you can trade those calls with the same rules. So expiry rules are trade with 2 lots, exit 1 lot on target, carry other lot till 3:20 p.m. Double the quantity of opposite option with stop losses when stop loss is hit. So friends, already on Tuesday capital doubled, Wednesday capital doubled. So let us see what happens on Thursday. If Thursday capital doubles, it will be a hat trick of capital double in single day for this week. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video. Share this video with all of your friends so that they can also take benefit of these calls, these demo calls, and you can contact me on my number 9890812070 for regular services. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video.